Welcome my channel CSC Education. Myself Subhendu Kumar Dani, lecturer in mathematics. Today I am discussing about problem based on derivative of inverse trigonometric functions of the following questions. Okay, alright. First of all, question number 1 and our solutions of question number 1. The derivative of d by dx of sine inverse x. So, firstly, let y equal to suppose function sine inverse of 1 by 1 plus x squared. Okay. So now, first, we know that the formula d by dx of sine inverse of x equals to 1 by 1 plus of x squared in the root over, 1 plus 1 minus of x squared in the root over. So here sine inverse, here x is the total part. Okay, alright. Now, solve this problem. So y is a function of x here now in the trigonometric function dy by dx. So d by dx of both sides sine inverse of 1 by 1 plus of x square. Okay. Now, firstly, derivative of sine inverse x formula is 1 by 1 minus. So here now 1 by 1 plus x square your value. Okay. So 1 divided by firstly 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square total squaring of root over. Now in the derivative of d by dx of 1 by 1 plus x square root over. Okay. So here the value is 1 plus x square in the square minus of 1. Okay. By 1 plus x square total root over. Again the derivative, this is the form. We know that d by dx of 1 by f of x equals to minus f dash x divided by f of x whole square. Clear that? So this form is now here minus this form derivative of here d by dx of 1 plus of x square 1 plus of x square the square root of x. Okay, alright. Solve this now. We get your results. So see, this value equals to 1 plus x square in the squaring part, because so in the x square and the root over factor here 1 plus of x square all. So here now 1 plus x square square of minus root over and multiplied of this factor minus 2x by 1 plus x square of square root. So solve this value minus 2 of this. Here x is now, here x now, in the 1 factor is cancel out. So your value is 1 plus x square minus of 1 in the root over. Again in the multiplied of 1 by 1 plus x square. Your answer is this now. Okay. In this way, we find the second factor, derivative of cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. So, I am come from third question. It is your homework or any doubt, comment my channel. Okay. Answer number 3. Let y equals to here sine inverse of 2x. So derivative of y dy by dx equal to dy by dx of sine inverse of 2x This condition equals to implies that dy by dx equals to sin inverse 2x. You know that the value 1 minus here x is 2x, 1 minus 2x is the whole square in the root over again derivative of d by dx of 2x. Okay, so derivative of 2 d by dx of 2x value is 2, then 1 minus 4 x square in the root over. Your answer is dy by dx equals to this. Alright. Today I am discuss the problem based on derivative inverse trigonometric functions of different types questions. So, my dear students, this is some problems on a review or some doubts clearing. So, subscribe my channel and comments. Then next video I am clarify all the doubts, your problems. Thank you.